Okay, so we got to the hotel. I've changed my hair, obviously, as you can tell from getting in here. It is a little bit warm outside. I wanted to change my hair, put it up, get it out, off my neck, especially. But so, like, coming into the hotel, one thing I'd have to say with this Holiday Inn in Ontario, so it is, or it was like a motel before. There's no elevator here, which is kind of like a so, and it's only 2 floors, don't get me wrong, but it cannot cater to everyone, if that makes sense. So, someone that's wheelchair bound could not get up to the second story, that type of thing. And don't get me wrong, I could care less. I live in a 2 story home, whatever. I'm just more overall, that's kind of a downfall for here. Coming in, staff was absolutely amazing. Even the staff that was actually getting ready to clock off because it was, 5:30 p.m. when we checked in. So the staff that were leaving, they even said, "Have a wonderful stay," blah blah blah, which was awesome. I thought that was great. Get to our hotel room. It's nice. It's really nice, as you've seen in the video, or I will see in this video. I could talk, but I don't know. So when the bathroom was really small, uh, it's like, yay. So an inch or two from hitting the toilet with the door. It had the room kind of warm in here, which is to me. They have upgraded actually slightly since we stayed 2 months ago. They're still in the process, I think, of getting fully renovated over, but this room actually has a thermostat that is fully digital. So, me being me, I had to sit there and make sure that there was no camera, just because I don't know. I don't like the digital being in hotels because I don't know. I think your brain gets wondering if it's maybe something else or hiding something, that type of thing. And FYI, I know this lighting is bad. I'm trying. There is like no main lighting in this room besides the one above my head. Technically, so camera, phone, right above it, I put my own light that's actually attached to my tripod. And then there's a light over on the desk. And there's two that go over the bed, but they have the cones over top, so it just projects straight down. So I'm just using 3 lights. So sorry, I don't look flattering. Wow. But besides that, another another kind of, I mean, I love the room, love the look. It looks amazing. I still tried the screen, could not get it open if my life depended on it, which is okay. Like I said, I stayed here 2 months ago. There's a reason I am okay with it not opening, and I have it locked. The thing is shut. All of that is because you'll see in the video the balcony for the neighbor, the hotel, the room next to us. We literally shared the same balcony. There is no partition. There is no wall. There is nothing. So you can literally, I could walk over to their door and go knock, 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 or if they leave it unlocked, walk right in. I don't like that. That is a big, huge safety concern. It's a nice hotel. I'm staying here again because we were able to get it cheaper than we normally would in this area in Ontario, but prices go up, I think actually next week or something like that when I looked them up. But that's fine. I most likely won't come back here. I'd rather go back to my other hotel, not have a balcony. Because to be honest, I've never really used balconies anyways. I was just like, oh, it's cheaper. And there's a pool and it's outside, which I don't know if we'll go. Well, I don't know. We'll see. But yeah, kind of want to get my 2 cents on kind of the hotel downfalls. Okay, here's why I say downfall with the balcony. If you have a family, here's the positive or plus side. Parents could be in that room, mom and dad. Kids be in this room. All you need to do is go through the balcony to get to one room to the other. But here's the downfall. Say I'm a female, I am by myself, which I am not. I have my husband with me. But let's say I'm here by myself. Person goes to go into their room and they see I am by myself. They have an easy access. I'm sorry, it's very, very, very easy to get through just because it's just a latch lock. That is it. There is nothing special about this back door. It'd be different if it was like latch lock and then where I used to live down in California out in Riverside, my family, we ended up drilling through, I want to call it the siding, the housing unit, enough where you could actually put a 4-inch nail through it. So even if you broke that, you couldn't get it open because it was completely latched all the way through. It was a hidden pin, pretty much. They should kind of have something like that here, or where you could put down a bar and it, I don't know, because it's like my personal belongings will be here. Yeah, I'm going to be sleeping here, that type of thing. So that's something to keep in consideration when you are trying to book a hotel. Kind of look to see, but I will say Holiday Inn, I think this one's just considered Holiday Inn, if I remember. I think the other one is a different one, but this is the 2-story. Kind of looks more like a motel because it was prior. This location is by another hotel, Motel 6. I will say it looks more like the Motel 6. Like, this building looks like it should be a Motel 6. So that's just one thing, but it's really, I will say it is really nice. First time we didn't know there's, I think they call it a business center. Yeah, business center. You'll see it in the video. It's like right on the second story, which I was surprised. But at the same time, here's another problem. Say if someone came and they can't get upstairs, they can't use that center. So, because there's no elevator anywhere. There's 2 wings. You got the front desk in the front, and it branches out and then goes down 2 wings. And when I mean branches out, like branch and then goes out the other side, it's like wee, and then eventually you get to it. It's actually a farther walk. But that's the thing is, if you're going to have that upstairs, yes, it's pretty close to the front desk. Why? You're making it where only selected people can use it. I guess that's my thing. So yeah, that's how I feel review wise. If I had to get a rated out of 5 stars, overall, it is very clean, very friendly staff. This time, they did stock our shower gel. So I'm happy about that. I did check all, like, hand wash, lotion, shampoo, conditioner, shower gel. They actually provide in, like, regular size bottles, which is really nice. They did provide that. It's, I think, the Dove brand or something like that. Those are all at least halfway full, if not closer to being full. They're not full, but they're closer to being full, which is great. That's awesome. First time we were here, not so much. But overall, room wise, it's really nice. It's really open. I just, the downfall would have to majorly be for me is the balcony. So with safety in mind, that fully drops like at least a star, if not 2. With the fact there is no elevator, not being able to accommodate for other disabilities, or say if I was driving, I hurt my ankle, I rolled it, I don't know. I'm just trying to use an example. It's preventing to help with certain disabilities or accidents you might have accidentally done right before your trip, whatever. But yeah, so I would have to say if I rated out of 5 stars, this would be about a 3. And I'm being generous on it. Safety wise, that's the biggest thing for me. I mean, with that balcony, that's not comforting. I don't like that, but I'll tolerate it. So, but yeah, continue to watch. You'll see the nice tour. I might do little clips here and there, like up in here or something. I don't know. You'll see. I don't know either. I might be editing this on the trip. I might not be. I don't know. So, but yeah, have a great day, everybody. Thanks. Bye.